We believe that coronaviruses are largely in bat populations, and there were 4 coronaviruses circulating in humans before SARS. Then we had SARS, then we had MERS, now we have the novel coronavirus. So that makes 7 in total. And the previous 6 seem to be of natural origin. And we have not had the good fortune in the case of novel coronavirus to identify a clear intermediate animal host. There's been an intensive search, but it's not obvious whether something similar to SARS occurred, such as a wet market exposure in sort of the exotic food industry, or whether there was some other exposure. The lab accident hypothesis doesn't have any evidence to back it up, so it remains just that, just a hypothesis. It's far more likely that it came from nature than through some laboratory accident. The virology lab in Wuhan, as with modern virology labs around the world, take extraordinary precautions for the security of their products, and the personal protective equipment for virologists working with potentially serious agents is very fastidious, and I think it would be very improbable that a lab accident were responsible for this release. And I have no evidence that the Wuhan lab was not doing a good job. In fact, the WHO investigation suggests that it was doing a good job. And now the Biden administration, those data are not available fully yet, but they seem to be, from the executive summary, there is no information to suggest that the Wuhan lab was unsafe in any way. Scientists like to collaborate with each other, and politics rarely interferes. We would like to get to the bottom of a mystery and find out where, for example, coronavirus came from. I would love to have a bilateral arrangement, the Chinese government, U.S. government, both fund teams that would actually work together, study bat virus, coronaviruses, study potential intermediate hosts, try to get to the bottom of the origin of the virus. If they want to look at laboratory safety, they can do that too.